In today's video, I'm going to show you how to vectorize an image in Adobe Express using the Image Vectorize add-on. Start by opening your project in Adobe Express. Once you're on the editor screen, go to the left-hand toolbar and click Add-ons. This is where you can install extra tools that extend what you can do inside your Adobe Express project. At the top of the Add-ons panel, use the search field and type Vector. Give the results a moment to load, then find the add-on called Image Vectorize and add it to your project. Quick side note, for more straightforward Adobe Express tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. Once the add-on has finished installing, its panel should appear on the right side of the editor. You'll be prompted to continue with either Adobe or Google. Choose the sign-in option you prefer, then log in or select your account if you're already signed in. Now click Browse Files. Your computer's file browser will open, so locate the image you want to convert, select it, and click Open. You can also press Enter after selecting the file. When the image has been uploaded, click Convert to Vector. The tool may show the number of credits required for the conversion, so confirm that you want to use the credit to continue. You'll now see a Starting Your Vectorization message along with a progress loader. Wait for the conversion to finish. When it's ready, a preview of your vectorized image will appear in the right panel. From here, choose the color style you want to use and adjust any available settings for that style. This lets you control the final look of the vector before placing it into your design. Once you're happy with the preview, click Add to Page at the bottom of the panel. Your vectorized image will be added directly to the Adobe Express canvas. And that's it. You've successfully vectorized an image in Adobe Express.